Dear students, today I'm going to explain the literary devices used in the poem Noumena Foreign. So when you have read this poem, you might have noticed that this poem is not having any special rhyme scheme. It is not having any rhythm. It is not having any rhyming words. So we can say the entire poem is written in free words. That is the first thing. It is written in free words. The next thing is it is using the poetic device alliteration. Alliteration means the repetition of consonant sound. Except A, E, I, O, U, we are having other alphabets. They are called the consonants, and the repetition of any consonant sound in a sentence, that is called an alliteration. Okay, so for example, when you are looking in stanza 1, there you can see the B sound is repeating. Okay, B sounds, body, breathes, all these are repeating. In the second line, stanza 1, second line, you can see beneath all uniforms a single body breathes. There B sound, beneath, body, breathes. B sound is repeated. Then in stanza number 2, wars and winter, it is being repeated like in second line itself. Are fed by peaceful harvest, by wars long winter starved. Again W sound is repeated. So we can again say the poetic device alliteration is there. Okay, alliteration means the repetition of consonant sound at the beginning of a word. Okay, here body and breathes, it is having the same B sound. Then war and winter, W sound. Okay, then metaphor. Metaphor and simile, all might be knowing about it. Metaphor means we are comparing two different objects. Okay, we are comparing two different objects without the help of the words like and as. See, in stanza number 1, we can see word uniform is there. Okay, beneath all uniforms a single body breathes. You can see there the uniform is showing the military of different countries. See, when we are hearing the word uniform, it can be a uniform of a student, it can be a uniform of any job, but here the uniform is showing the military force of any country. Okay, then in stanza number 2, we can see war's time is compared to the winter season. Okay, like during winter everyone is starving, the same thing is happening during war. Okay, so war is compared to winter season, but when we are thinking separately, war and winter both are different, but it is been compared together. Okay, without the use of like or as, then we can say it has equipped the poetic device metaphor. Okay, then a repetition. Repetition means some words will be repeated in the poem, that is called repetition. Here it is very clear that the word remember is repeated. Okay, the word remember is repeated. It is repeated about 5 times. So we can say the poetic device repetition is also equipped over here. The last poetic device in Noumena Foreign is enjambment. Okay, enjambment means in a poem, in order to separate the sentence, if you are not using any punctuation mark, in order to separate the sentences, okay, if you are not using any punctuation mark, we are just using the running lines, that is called enjambment. And in all stanzas you can see enjambment. And just read the poem and just find out whether it is using the poetic device enjambment. Means we are not using any punctuation mark to differentiate the sentences, that is called enjambment. Simply we are writing running lines. Okay, so I hope you understood the poetic devices used in the poem, and read the poem thoroughly and understand the poetic devices metaphor, alliteration and enjambment. These are the major things to be kept in mind, and be happy and safe. Thank you.